Hi there, I'm Jin Friss. I'm a concept artist, illustrator, and art director. You can find my work on ArtStation, Instagram, and YouTube. I have also worked as a production designer for movies at Wowo Cartoon Productions. I believe in the narrative power of images, and to tell stories visually, drawing is our best ally. Anyone can draw. The key is to translate what you have in mind into a basic shape. For this, it is very important to follow 3 steps: observation, technique, and practice. Digital drawing is my favorite way of playing with shapes and volumes and finding new ways to exaggerate and distort reality. A software like Photoshop allows us to apply the very same principles as in traditional drawing, but with a little more flexibility. In this Domestika course, you will learn the foundations to draw digitally from reality and imagination. For your final projects, you'll produce 2 digital drawings, creating lines and shapes from observation. First, I'll discuss the meaning of drawing, turning the 3D world into a 2-dimensional illusion. Then, I will show you how every complex shape can be turned into a simpler one. We'll talk about the material you'll need to start drawing. I'll reveal you the drawing secrets, taking into account angles and proportions. I'll teach you the basics of perspective. You'll understand that it's actually as easy as deciding where you are looking at an object from. After this, I'll demonstrate the importance of using 1- and 2-point perspective when drawing architectural elements. Then we'll focus on a more complex subject, the human body, and you will learn how to apply light and shadow to give volume to your drawings. You will get to know the fundamentals of design to start creating from imagination. Then I will share my creative process with you, so you'll see how I go from a blank page to an appealing design. Finally, I will teach you how to play around duplicating shapes and changing proportions to give a personal twist to your artworks. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding and ability to start one of the engines of the art machine, drawing. To follow my steps, you will need Photoshop or any available software of your choice. Take the first step to achieve creative freedom.